Alrighty, Brian, here's your 408 small block Ford. Huge description is combination. Got a set of our ass cast heads. We got the yellow block manifold on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the rear sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See what you does. Stay tuned. 3,400, 478 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 524, peak horsepower 522, so everything's good, rated at 500. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple of things here. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have an engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.